Yes, friends, let's start and look at the feature that is called autofill. The autofill feature is what we want to look at in here. What is autofill? Autofill is a feature that helps you not to waste a lot of time while trying to do some issues like some calculations. So briefly in here, we have just copied. We can as well continue to copy. You can copy and paste. So this one is copy and paste. You may continue evident it as we continue going. So the autofill is like copy and paste, but it has another feature in there. So let's as well try to do something here. We may enter data here like item item. Then we may put amount amount, then selling price. Then here we could be having the total. So in here, if we have this as our features that we may briefly need to develop what we want, so we may as well do anything that we need. Item, let's say ice cream. Here we could have sodas, then we could have juices, could have purples, rivalries. Then we continue doing our data entry. Amount we could be having like 5,000. Here you could be having like 300 or 3,000. In here could be having like 6,000. Let's have 200 or 2,000. That is 12,000. Here could be having this. Then this way we could be having like 3,030, like that. You may continue entering your data at any cost that it may as well help you when you do what you really want to do. So whatever you want to do, you can do it. So let's say if we have here what we call the total equal sum, open brackets, you may apply total once. For instance, this and this, then shift cross the brackets as we have added or as we have been getting the totals previously. Then if that is what we have done, then the autofill will help us to develop some features. Look here, when I click like this and I, I point that item there, then I click and drag, you see it will bring the accurate figures. Let's repeat it. I've just done equal sum and added only this first line. After adding this first line, if I'm really looking for totals, then I'll say enter. So this, if this is our final work, if this is our final total, then here what I have to do is only to, this is what we call the autofill, where you see that the cursor has changed to a plus. So in here I'll click and it applies what we call auto fill. You have calculated the first one, but these are not for learners. It's better when you have mastered the formulas. After mastering the formula, for matter of buying time, you just answer one, then you drag. Then we have other items like you could say Sunday. These are keywords in Excel. If I say Sunday and I come here, it will change to a plus sign. Then I just click and in case that's what I may need. So I may come still here and I say January, it's a month of the year, then these are keywords, you see. So that's what we could as well call the auto fill. That is autofill. So it keeps on. So the more I keep going, it will keep repeating the same. It will keep repeating the same. So if you've been very observant with our mouse, where we take it, it will change. For instance, if I type here one word that is not a keyword, that is not so fundamental, or it's not known. For instance, I put Kylo. Then I try to drag, click and drag. It's the same, it's the autofill. But this one will not continue bringing other capitals. Reason being, it's just one item that is indeed written there. But autofill will continue giving you the feel that you want. It doesn't matter which application you have used or which formula you have used, but autofill will keep will keep applying onto your work. Still in here, we shall keep looking at others. Many people may call it auto sum, but here auto sum will only do where calculations are. But this one is called what? It's called auto fill. Auto sum is somewhere here. You can see for only calculations, but auto fill it's for even other items. For instance, I can put here a name. That is the name. So if that is name appears 1,000 times or it's in a column of customer name, let's say customer name, it's the only one customer that we have. So what you do, just fill it once, then you drag. You see, it will keep rebuilding itself and bring more of that. So briefly, those are the ways of applying auto sum, but still it may go into other application, and you can as well try to do the needful by choosing exactly what briefly you may want. For matters of visibility, we can continue to have the size, but you've seen what we have really done in trying to build the auto fill. So auto fill may not only come in for figures, but it will even come for letters, though auto sum will only be for figures. So when it comes to autofill, I think we have understood it very well. That is it for now. Thank you.